A cube is a 2D shape, made up of 6 equals and square face. Think of a disc or a Rubik's cube. Each of the face is identical and all edges are the same length. What makes the cube special? It is a symmetry and has 12 edges and 8 corners, and every angle is a perfect right angle. It is more than just a shape. It represents stability and structures and cultures and designs. Volume of a cube is found by cubing the side length, or is cube. Example, on the outside yet powerful in how it models space in both real life and technology.
A rectangle is a four-sided shape, opposite sides equal in length, and all interior angles measuring 90 degrees. It is one of the most common shapes in geometry and everyday life, where you can find rectangles in books, screens, tables, and doors. One of the key properties is that the area is calculated by multiplying its length by its width. Unlike a square, which is a special type rectangle with all sides equal, a standard rectangle requires opposite sides to be equal. Rectangles are not only important in math, but also in design and architecture because of their simplicity and balance.
Hi everyone, today let's talk about prisms. Prisms is one of the most 3D shapes in geometry. A prism is a solid shape with two parallel, identical faces that connect them. The sides are always parallelograms. There are different types of prisms depending on the shape of their base. So, like triangular prism, rectangular prism, or even a pentagonal prism. Prisms are all around us, in a building, boxes, and even in the glass. They help us understand how light bends and how objects are shaped in the real world. So,
a circle is a perfectly round shape where every point on the edge is the same distance from the center. The distance is called the radius. Circles are everywhere, from wheels, on the bike, or on the face of the clock. Unlike polygons, a circle has no sides or corners, making it smooth continuous. Its perimeter is called circumference, and the formula to find it is 2 pi r, while the area is pi squared. The circle also has deep importance in science, art, and nature. From the orbits of the planets to ripples in the water, it's symbol of unity, infinity, and balance.
Made up of 6 equals and